If you want to clean the USB-C port or the charging port that we have at the bottom of Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, let me give you some tips on what you can use and how you can clean that port. So first of all, make sure that you turn off your phone. It is of course definitely better to power down your phone before you start cleaning in order to avoid short circuits. Besides that, you want to avoid using metal pins, needles or paper clips. Anything that is pretty much metal, because you always risk of scratching or bending ports or anything that we have inside the USB-C port. You don't want to use liquids like water, alcohol and cleaning sprays. You don't want to pour them inside the port, of course. You may use isopropyl alcohol, but only outside of the port. You definitely don't want to put it inside one, so you might want to also use cotton swabs for that. But once again, just like with the liquids, you don't want to put or insert cotton swabs inside the port because they can shed fibers. So don't put them inside, but you can use it in order to clean the outside of the port over here in case it is dirty. Now what you can use wooden or plastic toothpick. You can gently insert it into the port. You can scrape out lint, dust or debris with light motions. And that should be definitely the better choice over metal items like paper clips or needles. If you have compressed air, then it's going to be a really solid choice as well. And if you don't have the compressed air can, you can try blowing lightly into the port through a clean straw. You want to avoid using your mouth directly because moisture can harm the port. You can also use a soft bristle toothbrush, for example. Clean and dry one, of course. So if you have a dry, clean, soft bristle toothbrush, you can gently brush the inside edges of the USB-C port. However, you don't want to use water, as I mentioned before, or cleaning agents or anything like that. Also, adhesive putty can be quite a solid choice as well and quite useful. You can roll a tiny ball of adhesive putty like a poster tag, and then you can lightly press it against the port opening to lift dust. However, make sure that no putty residue stays inside. And that is pretty much it. After cleaning, you want to make sure that cable clicks firmly into the place again. If charging issues persist, the port might be of course damaged, so at this point you need to probably contact a professional to let them repair the USB port for you. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.